guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Naina and I hope you guys are doing well. Now you guys must be aware that Rakhi is just around the corner. It's just few days away and it gets me so excited because it means good weather, good times, good food, good vibes and whatnot. But I totally understand the situation around the world, which is still worse, and we might not be able to celebrate our festivals like we were supposed to do it. But this should not stop us from dolling up, eating good food, connecting with our loved ones, and just enjoy this time while we are with our family. So yeah, for Rakhi I have done this beautiful cut and crease makeup look. So this is what I'm gonna show it to you guys in today's video, and let me tell you that this is my first time ever when I have tried this cut and crease makeup look, because I was really skeptical if I would be able to do it or not, because I'm not a makeup artist. I'm not at all a makeup artist. I have just learned by looking at my favorite makeup YouTuber videos. So yeah, but I tried this makeup look and again it turned out to be so good. I don't know, is this me who is obsessed with me or is it really good? So you guys will have to tell me in the comments below. But yeah, this is the makeup look that I'm gonna show it to you guys for today's video. This is so festive. It screams festive. It is perfect. It has got all this beautiful shimmer, the highlighter, beautiful lipstick, and that bold big eyes. I just totally love this look, and I'm really glad that this makeup look turned out to be really fine, because I'm gonna do this makeup look again on Rakhi. So yeah, this is the makeup look that I'm gonna show it to you guys. Again, it's very easy breezy, ज़्यादा tension लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, but it's again a very nice look which I think is perfect for festival, and Rakhi being our own very first festival, I think we should totally nail it, and we should not let COVID-19 stop us from dolling up. So yeah, I am gonna show you guys this beautiful makeup look which is right here. So yeah, without any more talking, let's just quickly get started with the video.
We're gonna start by prepping our skin, and for that today I'm using my Laniege Water Hydro Essence. It's a beautiful serum. It makes your skin look so hydrated, and I'm someone who has a dry skin type and needs a lot of moisturizer and hydration. So yeah, I have used this serum. It's a beautiful serum. After that, again I'm gonna go ahead and use my trustworthy Pond's Lightweight Moisturizing Cream. I'm gonna apply it as usual. So मैंने सोचा कि मेरा usually जो base वगैरह सब कुछ है वो same ही रहेगा, तो I'm not gonna explain that much. The main focus here is our eyes, cut and crease eyes जो हम करने वाले हैं for this festival look. So I'm going to be explaining that. मैं वो आप सबको समझाऊंगी अच्छे से. So once we are done prepping our skin, the next step is to use a primer, and here I'm using Nyx Primer. ये बहुत ही अच्छा primer है. इससे मेरे pores बिल्कुल reduce हो जाते हैं, and my face is very smooth. So yeah, I'm going to use this. एंड उसके बाद मैं अपना सफोरा का फाउंडेशन यूज़ करूँगी, एंड इट्स अ परफेक्ट मैच. मुझे बहुत ही पसंद है. एंड यूजिंग माई ब्लेंडिंग ब्रश मैं इसको अच्छे से ब्लेंड भी कर लूँगी. Then to hide my dark circles, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer, the usual. जहाँ पे भी मेरे acne spots वगैरह है वो मैं ये लगाऊंगी वहाँ पे. और फिर ये मिनीसो का एक छोटा सा ब्लेंडर है जो पूरा एक पैकेट था, वहाँ से मैं एक ब्लेंडर निकाल के इसको मैं अच्छे से ब्लेंड कर लूँगी. To set my under eyes, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Bharat and Doris loose powder. इसको मैं रियल टेक्निक्स के ब्रश से यूज़ करके अपनी आईज़ के नीचे रख लूँगी, and I'll just let it sit for about like 5-10 seconds, and meanwhile I'm gonna move to the next step. So the next step is to do our brows, and for that again I'm using my trustworthy product. It's Etude House brow pencil. It's in the dark brown shade. So yeah, I'm gonna use that, and I'll just do my brow and then brush it with the spoolie that comes with the pencil. And now let's move to the eye makeups. This eye makeup I am trying for the first time. तो I'm gonna be using a tape. ये tape hack है, जैसे अगर आपको बहुत ही sharp edges चाहिए and everything. तो मैं 2 छोटे tape लूँगी. मेरे केस में थोड़ा बड़ा हो गया है, but मैं 2 छोटे tape लूँगी. इसको मैं अपनी eyes और eyebrows की एक line वाली shape में इसको मैं लगा दूँगी ताकि मेरे बहुत ही sharp edges रहे. And once that is done, then I'm gonna go ahead and use my Makeup Revolution palette. Again, this is not mine यार, मेरा कुछ भी नहीं है, ये मेरी भाभी का है. Okay, but then anyways, I'm gonna take this palette and take this brown shade as a transition shade onto my pack blending brush. Once that is done, then I'm gonna go ahead and take my Real Techniques small blending brush and take that orange shade from the same palette and then put it right at the outer corner of my eyes, and then take it between the crease line and my upper eyelids. Once that is done, now comes the main part of this makeup, which is cut and crease. So what you have to do, ये मैंने hack एक video में देखा था. तो I'm gonna take any concealer that you have, पुट इट राइट एट द बैक ऑफ योर हैंड एंड देन उस कंसीलर को आप एक फ्लैट ब्रश से एकदम अपनी अपर लाइन पे लगाओ जहाँ पे आप आई लाइनर लगाते हो एंड देन यू लुक अपवर्ड्स, ऊपर देखो एंड जहाँ पे वो कंसीलर आपका स्टिक हो जाए, सो दैट इज़ योर क्रीज लाइन, दैट इज़ वॉट वी हैव टू कवर विद द कंसीलर. तो यूजिंग द सेम फ्लैट ब्रश मैं वो पूरा एरिया कवर कर दूँगी एंड देन आई एम जस्ट गोना डू इट वेरी नाइसली क्योंकि वो स्मज बिल्कुल नहीं होना चाहिए. देन वंस दैट इज़ सेट, मैं ये दोनों आइज़ के लिए यही ट्रिक फॉलो करती हूँ. And then once that is set, then I'm gonna take the white color from the same palette and उसको मैं again flat brush पे लेके pat कर दूँगी so that it's mattified and जो भी मैं अब इसमें color लगाऊँगी उसका ज़्यादा pay off मिले. Then going ahead I'm gonna use my Maybelline Gigi Hadid palette और इसमें ये beautiful champagne color sparkly shade है जो I'm gonna take it on my ring finger and then I'm gonna put it जहाँ पे भी मैंने वो concealer से crease draw करा है वहाँ पे मैं पूरे उस पर ring finger से अपना eyelids के ऊपर लगा दूँगी. Go ahead and take my Swiss Beauty glitter eye shadow. ये थोड़ी wet form में होता है so after applying it we have to let it dry for about like 10-15 seconds. So it's very good. It's very good. It makes my eyes look so sparkly. तो इसको मैं अच्छे से अपनी उसी क्रीज़ पे पूरे कवर कर दूँगी, लाइक मेरी अपर आईलिड्स पे अच्छे से कवर कर दूँगी सो दैट इट लुक्स सो फेस्टिव एंड एज यू कैन सी माई आईज स्पार्कल सो मच दैट आई रियली लव एंड इट लुक्स सो फेस्टिव राइट नाउ. Then once that is done, I'm gonna let it dry for about like 10-15 seconds. Meanwhile, I'm gonna go ahead and do my contour. Contour भी मैं usual same palette L'Oreal palette use करूँगी. तो yes, I'm gonna take this random brush that I got from Westside which works perfect for contouring my face. So I'm gonna take that brush and then I'm gonna just contour मेरा normal जैसे jaw line पे करती हूँ, मैं cheekbones पे करती हूँ and then my hairline and my nose. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and contour my face. Then again taking my path blending brush, I'm just gonna rub it between my upper eyelids and my crease line so that everything looks smooth and there are no harsh lines. Then going ahead I'm going to use my Maybelline eyeliner, again my favorite one. So I'm going to take this eyeliner to make a perfect winged liner, sharp enough to cut a man's heart. Yeah, so I'm going to do that and then going ahead I'm going to take my K-Beauty kajal. It's a gel kajal so it doesn't smudge. I'm going to put it onto my lower waterline. I'm not going to cover it entirely because that makes my eyes look so small. So I'm going to just do it like half of it. So my mid section se shuru karke I'm going to drop it till outer corner of my eyes. And yeah, once that is done then I'm again going to go ahead and take my Maybelline smudger brush. उससे मैं वो brown वाला shade फिर से लूँगी उसी palette से. And using that I'm just going to smudge my lower lash line so that it looks really smoky and nice. Then going ahead I'm going to take my Maybelline mascara, again one of my favorites. I'm going to take this Maybelline mascara and just do my lashes using that, again usual, nothing fancy. And then going ahead I'm going to put falsies today because it's festival time. And then again taking a flat brush मैं उससे वो golden shimmery shade लेके अपनी eyebrow bones पे लगाऊंगी. So I'm going to put it right in the inner corner of my eyes. Then going ahead I'm going to use my L'Oreal blush, again the usual, my cheeks, my nose and my chin because I really love that flushed look. Now then for the lipstick I'm gonna go ahead and use my NYX liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Sweet Pea if I'm not wrong. Anyway, I'm gonna mention all the details in the description box so you can check that out. So I'm gonna take this shade. It's a beautiful pink shade. I'm so much into pink these days. I told you guys na, like I love pink makeup and pink clothes. So yeah, I'm gonna take this shade and put it on my lips, and then on top of it I'm gonna go ahead and use my MAC lipstick in the shade Meher. And yeah, we are done. Now let's just move to the, I guess, second last step, which is highlighter. So here I'm using Huda Beauty highlighter. It's a beautiful highlighter, and yeah, I'm just gonna use this shade which is, I guess, Fiji, and I'm gonna take it onto my Wet n Wild flat brush and then put it onto my beauty points like my cheekbones, my bridge of the nose, my eyebrow bones, my chin, everywhere as usual. Fix it all up, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Wet n Wild makeup fixing spray and just spray it all over my face and let it dry for about 5-10 seconds, and voila, we are done.
Enjoyed watching this video. Please let me know in the comments below how did you guys find my cut and crease makeup look. This is the perfect makeup look for Rakhi. I really want you girls to try it out, and if you do, you know what you have to do. So share the pictures with me on my Instagram. I would love to share them on my stories. My Instagram handle is right here, and do not forget to follow me there as well. And yeah, if you like this video, then please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so that मैं जब भी न्यू वीडियो डालूँ आपको झट से पता लग जाए जाए. And yeah, I'm gonna see you guys next time. Bye.